Hi, I want to address people hearing the popping sound from the AeroCrank, and I want to show you where is it coming from. Now this is a brand new AeroCrank, and I will do it once or twice and it'll start popping. I'll show you exactly what's going on. I'm going to tighten it now, the drag, and crank it. Hear that? Okay, what it really is that the string is going to the outside of the spool, and then it's popping. Now what it really is, I will show you exactly what's going on. What happened is that the string of this cable is being wrapped on the outside of the spool, like that. And eventually, it dropped down like this. See that? The string will eventually drop down, and that moment it might make the sound. Now, how can you do to prevent this after you start making that sound? And I'm going to show you how. I'm going to lower the sled down now. Now, very easy. Put your fingers around the string, and then so that you bring it back to the middle part. At the moment when the pressure gets too high, just remove it, and you will no longer make the sound. See that? The sound's gone. It's all because the string is stacking. In other words, what you're hearing is this string, without being guided, will always go to the outside of the spool, and it's stacking on the outside, like that. And then eventually, see that? The outside string right here? The moment you put it on again, it will fall down. See that? It just falls. The moment you fall down from the high side to the low side, you'll start making popping sound.